What's up, guys? You're tuning into Trap Bistro TV. I'm your boy, Big Set Trip, and this is Marissa, my lovely co-host.
Aloha.
Aloha. We got a special edition of Trap Bistro TV because Marissa is going to show us how to make one of her specialties.
Spam Musubis.
What's Spam Musubis?
Well, Spam Musubis, I used to live in Hawaii, so this snack food, you can buy it anywhere. You can go to the gas station, you can go to 7-Eleven, which they don't really have a 7-Eleven that I know, but you can go to anywhere and just grab a Spam Musubi and snack on it. It's delicious. Basically what it is made up of is rice, seaweed, and Spam with a secret sauce in between. And that's what I'm here to teach you.
All right, guys, stay tuned, smash that subscribe button, and watch us whip up that pot. But before we get started, we gotta go over the main ingredient, Spam. Now, Marissa, some people don't know what this is, and some people have never had it before. Can you explain what Spam is?
Spam? Well, just think of oink oink. That's what Spam is. Spam is, let's read these ingredients here. Basically what it is just Google it.
Yeah, it's hard to explain because we grew up eating Spam. Like, I ate so much Spam, but if you've never had this, it's pretty bomb. It's really good.
You can actually eat this right out of the can.
Yeah, you can eat it with eggs. You could eat it with rice. You could eat it straight out of a can like Marissa does if you're a little cuckoo.
All right, guys. So we're gonna start making our Spam Musubis. This is my fancy surfboard I brought all the way from Hawaii here. So this is where we're gonna do all of our work on our surfboard.
All right, Marissa, what do we gotta do next?
All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have Kevin make our secret sauce.
Okay, cool.
All right, Kevin, so what you're gonna do is you're going to mix a little bit of soy sauce.
All right.
A little bit of oyster sauce.
Nice.
And some sugar, and that's the secret sauce.
All right.
Okay, meanwhile, I'm going to get a can of Spam Musubi. A can of Spam, sorry. And I'm going to cut it up. Now, the Spam is easy to come out. All you have to do is just like shake it a little bit. And you just shake
About 3 spoonfuls, okay?
Okay, see, comes right out.
How much oyster sauce do you want?
However much.
2 spoonfuls?
About 2 spoonfuls is good.
Okay. All right, very good.
So my Spam, how I cut it, is about that thick. You can cut it thicker if you like a lot of Spam, but pretty much about, this much is good.
How often do you guys eat Spam, Marissa?
I like to cook it for my kids and stick it in their lunches.
Mm-hmm.
That's like their favorite. And so I do this maybe once every month or 2 months. When I lived in Hawaii, it was every single day.
Is Spam cheaper in Hawaii? They eat so much of it over there.
I'm not sure, but I'll tell you this. You walk into the grocery store, they have a whole section of different Spams, like anything you can think of.
Dang.
All kinds of Spam. Hot Spam, jalapeno Spam, chorizo Spam, teriyaki Spam. The list can go on forever. And here, you cannot find half of those Spams.
It's like Spam heaven in Hawaii.
Oh yeah, it is. So delicious.
If any of our viewers are in Hawaii, go ahead and send us a can of Spam.
Oh yeah. A different kind, not the kind that we get here. Because we only get like regular, low sodium. We do have the chorizo ones. We have the turkey ones. But all the other crazy stuff, we do not have here.
Like I don't think we have teriyaki Spam, which I've seen before.
Yes.
Wish we had
We
that.
do.
We
have teriyaki Spam. Yes, because I have some on my counter.
Oh, okay, nice. All right, let's get to rolling.
All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fry these a little bit so they're a little bit cooked, and then we'll go from there.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so we're gonna put our Spam Musubi on the hot stove on medium. Try to see how many I can fit on here. You don't want to burn them, but you want to get them like just a little bit nicely, like a little bit brown. Just cook them, both sides.
If you're a real pro like Marissa, you can fit all the Spam from one can onto the can. Hear that sizzle, guys? Everyone likes their Spam differently too, right?
Right? Exactly. Some like it like cooked all the way through. Some people like it a little bit just cooked crispy on the outside.
Yeah. I'm weird. I actually like my Spam like this, like kind of like straight out of the can.
Yeah.
Some people like theirs super crispy.
I'm opposite. I like it crispy, like this. See that crisp right there? I like that.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Okay guys, so I'm back. We cooked our Spam. And now we're going to start rolling our musubis. So what I have here is some seaweed, sushi nori. You can get it at any store, Asian market, even your regular store in the Asian section would have it. And they're these big sushi squares that come looking like this. They're called nori. Alright, so what I usually do is I fold it in half. Let's see. Like this. So this will be for 2 musubis. Okay. Then I have my musubi maker, which you can buy at any Asian market. And it looks like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my rice. Now the best kind of rice for this would be the Calrose rice because it's sticky. You don't want like your rice musubis to be falling apart. So I use that because it's a little bit more sticky rice. What I'm gonna do is get a little bit of rice and I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. Depending how much rice you want for your musubi. Some people like a lot of rice, some people don't. Okay. I'm gonna squish it down with this. So I just squish it, I lift this up. There you go. Now, so usually too, what makes it easy for me is what I found is I'm gonna get my sushi, my nori, and I'm gonna lay this on top of it. So it's like that. And I'm gonna squish it down, lift this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my, before I put my Spam, I'm gonna put my secret sauce. So here's my secret sauce. I'm just gonna spread just a little bit. And then I'm going to put my Spam on it. And I'm going to roll my musubi. Now, some people don't like the nori this thick, so they'll make it a little bit thinner, just so you have a little bit sticking out, and it's not so much seaweed. But that's basically it. Once you roll it, this will melt on top of it, so it kind of sticks together. There's your Spam Musubi. Do another one.
Wow, those are looking amazing.
You ready to try it?
I think it's time for a taste test.
Okay, let's go.
Let me get this one here, a little less nori.
I'll get the small one here.
All right,
All right.
Let's try it. Man, I really like that sauce.
Good call.
The Spam's a little sweet, the sauce is sweet, and the rice is definitely different from the normal jasmine rice we eat.
Right. Because the jasmine rice will make it not so sticky. Your musubi would fall apart. So you need sticky rice. It's really good. I love this. It's a great snack food. Fill up your refrigerator with it. And when you need a snack, go in, grab it.
Yeah, you can bring this anywhere. I was eating the scraps. Wow, that was amazing. Thanks, Marissa, for showing us how to make the Spam Musubi straight from the islands.
No problem.
Remember, the lower you squat, the better it tastes.
Don't forget that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop us a comment. And until next time.
Trap Bistro out.